Hey guys, welcome to the 10th C programming tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the switch structure. And the switch structure is very similar to the if-else structure in that you can check the value of a variable. So let's go back to that whole idea of if the user enters a capital A, it'll print out hello. If the user enters a capital B, it'll print out happy birthday. And if the user enters a capital C, it'll print out welcome. So let's just go ahead and do that using the switch structure. So the first thing that you need to do when using the switch structure is just obviously type out the keyword switch. And then following that keyword, you're just going to want to put the name of the variable whose value you're checking. So I'm just going to put my car. Alright. And then after this, just go ahead and type out two curly braces. And then inside these curly braces, just go ahead and type case. And then following this case keyword, just go ahead and type out the value that you're checking for. In our case, the first value that I'm going to be checking for is a capital A. And I have to put the capital A inside these single quotes because, again, that's how you represent a character in C. And then after that value, go ahead and put a colon. And then after this colon, just go ahead and type out all the code that you want to happen if the value of my car is in fact A. All we want it to do is just print out onto the screen hello. So I'm just going to type hello right inside these parentheses right here. And then of course end the line with a semicolon. And then after you've written out all the code that you want to happen if your variable is equal to this value, just go ahead and type out the keyword break. And what break will do is it will just break out of the switch structure right here. So if my character's value is A, it'll come down here, print out hello, and then it'll break out of the switch structure. So let's just go ahead and enter a few other cases for B and C. So I'm just going to hit enter right here, type case B, do the colon, and then if the value of my car is B, we want it to print out happy birthday. So I'm just going to say happy birthday. Alright, and then of course I just need to do that break keyword so it'll break out of the switch structure. And yes, you always need to have this break keyword right here. Alright, and then let's just go ahead and do this for C. So we're going to say case C. Then we need to have our colon, then all the code that we want to happen if the value of my car is C. And if it's C, then we want it to print out welcome. Alright, and then we need the break keyword, of course. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and test this and make sure that it works. So let me just go ahead and run this. Alright, I enter a capital A, I should get hello. Yep. Now if I enter a capital B, I should get happy birthday. And if I enter a capital C, I should get welcome. Perfect. Alright, now let's say I wanted to print out an error message if the user enters any character besides A, B, or C. And to do that, what you're going to want to do is type out the keyword default. And then, of course, you need to have your colon. And then after this colon, what you're going to want to do is type out all the code that you want to happen if none of these cases are true right here. So let me just type out printf, and we just want to print out to the user, you entered an invalid character. Alright. And then, of course, we still need to have that break keyword inside here. Alright, so let's just go ahead right here and say that the user enters C. So we'll just come down here and see if my car is equal to A. Nope, it's equal to C. Is my car equal to B? Nope, it's C. Is my car equal to C? Yes, it's equal to C. Now it's going to come down here, print out welcome, and then it's just going to break out. So it'll never ever get to this default code right here. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, so see you guys.